Hi and welcome to another video, and in this video we will be discussing the key data points including financial statements, FII data, volume, trends, charts, industry performance and other indicators that every investor should consider when evaluating a stock. First, let's talk about the financial statements. The three main financial statements that investors should be familiar with are the balance sheet, the income statement, and the cash flow statement. The balance sheet shows a company's assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equity. It gives investors an idea of the company's financial position and whether or not it has enough assets to cover its liabilities. The income statement shows a company's revenue, expenses, and net income over a period, usually a quarter or a year. It gives investors an idea of how profitable the company is and how well is it managing its costs. The cash flow statement shows a company's cash inflows and outflows over a period. It gives investors an idea of how well the company is generating cash and how it is using that cash. Next, let's talk about FII, also known as Foreign Institutional Investors Data. This data shows the investment activity of a foreign institutional investor in a particular stock or market. It can give investors an idea of the level of foreign interest in a company and can indicate whether or not a stock is experiencing high levels of buying or selling. Another important factor to consider is volume. The number of shares traded in a stock can indicate the level of investors' interest in a stock. High trading volume can indicate that a stock is popular among investors and that there is strong buying or selling activity. It's also important to look at the trends and charts. By analyzing price charts and technical indicators, investors can identify trends and patterns that can signal a potential buy or sell opportunity. Some common indicators include moving averages, relative strength index, and Bollinger bands. Additionally, it's also important to look at the overall performance of the industry in which the company operates. This can give you a sense of company's overall competitiveness and growth potential within the industry. Lastly, you may want to look at the analyst ratings and target prices for a stock, which can give you a sense of how experts in that field are viewing the stocks. In conclusion, investors should consider a wide range of data when evaluating a stock, including financial statements, FII data, volume, trends, charts, industry performance, and other indicators. By carefully analyzing this data, investors can make more informed decisions when it comes to buying and selling stocks. Always keep in mind that this is one aspect of process which also includes the understanding the overall economic environment and having a well-rounded investment strategies. Thank you so much for watching this video. We really hope you liked it.